Hi everyone, and welcome to my isolation inspiration putting station today from my hallway in my house. As I said, next instalment of the putting tips. Today we have one just talking a little bit about stability and in particular through the body. So what we tend to see, some of the main issues that we will see out on the golf course, in particular with the shorter putts, those kind of dreaded 3-foot putts, etc., is we'll see a lot of kind of swaying, a lot of body movement, in particular from the legs. So we'll see a lot of sort of side movement from side to side, transferring that weight from one side to the other. But we'll also see it from this side, where we'll actually see an awful lot of kind of twisting, and you can see the legs moving excessively, like we would expect to see in the full swing. So really it's just a couple of little things that we can do to try and stabilise our lower body in particular. Okay, so first one is we're going to just set up, I'm going to make some putts, and we're really just going to try and putt on one leg. So I'm actually just going to put my right foot back, going to line myself up, I'll not use a ball here just now, opposite my left foot, and all I'm actually going to try and do here is with the weight on the left foot, all my weight almost off that right foot, I'm just going to try and make some putts, and you can see obviously how it really forces me to keep that front leg nice and stable and still. Okay, and again from this side, if I just take the ball away again, okay, you'll see again, hopefully it's steadying, stabilising that lower half, forcing us to be a little bit quieter with the legs. So that's one thing we can do. The second thing that we can do to help with that is basically we're going to try when we set up, okay, and what we can try and do, rather than having the kind of knees in and that causes quite a lot of movement with the legs, we're almost going to try and get the feeling that we push the knees out a little bit, okay, and almost just sort of tighten our glutes. So just sort of, so not knees in, okay, knees pushed out a little bit, sort of just tighten up the glutes there, and then make that, and you can see it'll just sort of tend to make your legs a lot kind of less, a little bit more rigid, a little bit less movement in there as opposed to swaying about and moving about. And that can have all kinds of issues, you know, so when we're moving about, and especially the legs there, it's impacting our strike location, it's impacting our strike location, which is going to have an impact on our distance control, it's going to impact our path of the putter moving on, which is also going to impact kind of direction control and our club face control as well. So really not a great thing to get too involved in, and obviously something that we do tend to see a lot of happening out in the golf course. So hopefully that'll help. Let us know how you get on with that one, and happy golfing.